Okay, we're back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about one of the more powerful kind of dashboards that TD Engine supports, the process book style or P&ID style dashboards. It's a feature we call Canvas, and it's one of the kind of dashboards we support, and we're going to go over a couple features and how you can use the dashboard today. So pick an element, navigate over to dashboards, click add new dashboard, and there's two options, standard or canvas. Standard is the Grafana style dashboards. They have regular panels, and it's all the usual features you'd expect from a dashboard like that. But we're going to pick canvas. Okay, so in canvas, you'll immediately see system symbols, and this is our huge custom library of symbols. There's a ton for you to pick from, and in the right here, you can turn on and off some of the libraries, and if you want to, you can also search through the symbols if there's a particular symbol you're looking for. Here, I'm going to pick the blowers one, and as you can see, you can animate symbols as well. There's already a few animated symbols, but I'm just going to pick two. So maybe this symbol and that symbol. Between both of these symbols, one of the things that you could do is you can combine symbols. So I can combine by picking up both of them and then combining to state. That'll allow me to do things like cycle through the animation by changing states. It's something that people really want. Another important thing is how do I map my metrics or my attributes to this? Well, I can go to symbol property, click add new symbol property. Let's give it a name, example, and then give the symbol property a name. All of these different properties are available to map to every symbol, but what we want to do is something like value. And in the input type, we can do number, text, whatever we want. Number is a good one. And then on this paperclip icon, I'll be able to see all of my attributes live, and I'll just pick an attribute like bearing temp, and now it's mapped to my symbol. Here are a couple other features that you can use. First, you want to know what all of these little icons up here do. Some easy ones are the map. It creates a map of your icons, and it's pretty powerful, but not really necessary for what we're doing. It's just a way to navigate around, and it's more useful for complicated P&IDs. The magnifying glass allows you to look deeper into each of these symbols if you have really small P&IDs, and the pencil and pen allow you to draw lines. You can customize your lines here and the thickness, and you can use the pen to draw lines between symbols. These lines can even be animated in the animation section. So right here, I can click play on my animation to show you that they're animated. I can even change the animation type, and I can make the animation line longer if I want a really long kind of animation effect. Something I could do. Does Canvas only support these kind of panels, right? And the answer is no. You can have all of your regular panels on a canvas as well. That's also possible. Canvas if I wanted to, and I can drag any of these guys onto a canvas to show that with my symbols. Speaking of, are these the only symbols I can use? You can use any image as a symbol on canvas. So whatever image you'd like can be a symbol on canvas. And you can also import whole P&IDs through the import section. So some people would love to import AutoCAD files. You can go ahead and import AutoCAD files. On the bottom here, I'll show you all of the different file types we support, and they will automatically port over the image. I encourage you guys to play around with all of our advanced features, as Canvas is one of our most powerful tools for creating asset-centric visualizations. I'm going to show you guys what the finished product of this would look like. Go to Dashboards. I want to show you what a finished canvas kind of looks like, so you guys are aware of the power of this and everything you can map. Once everything is animated and is kind of in place, this is what that would look like. You can animate pretty much anything, and this kind of hierarchy is possible with live metrics obviously going in and out, tap to zoom, and refreshing metrics. And I hope you guys can create more visualizations just like this one.